Now today is September 14th, 2024, and we're going to continue on with the BookwormPup64 bootcamp series. This is day 5, and we will talk about a custom keyboard shortcuts today. So one of the shortcuts that I like is by tapping on my F4 key, it closes any application. So it doesn't, in my experience, F4 key to close any application under focus does not interfere with any program that I use frequently, except for in Roxfiler. So when I go ahead and open up a Roxfiler, and then negative key brings it. Now watch when what happens if I tap on F4 key. It brings up the terminal. So let me just go ahead and for example, if I go into my applications and then tap on F4 key, it brings up terminal, and then present working directory is actually within that application folder, my application folder. So Alt F4. So it's very helpful in that to start any within any folder in Rox to be able to start the terminal. So let me just go back to the root here. So now on a default setting in Bookworm, if I tap on grave key, which is a key right left uppermost near the escape key, there's right below there is a what's called the tilde key and the grave key. So that's the same key. So if I just go ahead and tap on that key, it does exactly the same as tapping on F4 key. So let me just go back. Okay, so now what the first thing I have to do is to be able to use F4 key to close any application is remap the F4 key and the Roxfiler. So we can just go ahead and on a root level, we can just go to Control H to toggle dot files, hidden files, go to config and go to our Rox source net here, and then Roxfiler. And what we have to do is load up this menace to geany. So we're gonna do that now. So now let's take a look at the Control F will bring up the search bar, and let's just simply type in close, and then next ALTN is what I just did, and then so there is a close right here. That's what we want. So ALTNC is going to close this. Now take a look at this line. So we want to use this close just with the simply F4, and then we want to uncomment this, so because we want that to be active. So Control S is going to save it, and then Alt F4 is going to close. Now to force the Rox to read this edited menace 2, what I have to do is either reboot or just go to leave and then restart graphics server, but that's going to stop my recording, so I'm not going to do that. So after that, you should be able to close Roxfiler just with the F4 key. There is already geany already. Okay, so what we want to do is we edited the menace 2 key just now, but generally speaking, all the other keyboard is controlled by jwmrc-personal file, which is within the root .jwm folder. So let's just click on that, and we're gonna just look at it briefly here. So number of virtual desktop 3 and 2, so that's 3 here and 2, so that's a talking about that particular setup. And then we will go down to, for example, default F2 will bring up the menus. So I'll click on F12. So here's the menus, and right now close is mapped to Alt F4, so that will close it, but we remapped it. We want just to use the F4 to close any application. So what we can do is just go ahead and follow this similar setup of key and the single key. Okay, so what we can do is just go ahead and go to close again. Where is that close? Here it is, and we want to just move that up to this here, and then F4 and close and key. So that's all set up now. So we'll just go ahead and save with Control S, and then we want to start LX terminal again, and then we'll just put it over here to the super and right arrow key, and then we're gonna go up. We should have JWM restart. So now we're gonna restart and enter. So it's been activated. So now we want to close the LX terminal by just tapping F4 key, and let's see if it's done properly. It should close. So now that's closed. So you will now, from now on, F4 will close any application that's open. So while we're at this, let's go ahead and start. Here is 4 refers to super key. So right now the default file manager, which is rocks, is mapped to super and E. So let me just go ahead and super and E will bring up rocks, but that's not what we want. What I want, I prefer to have super and R for rocks. So now I'm gonna change that to R. But you have to be careful in that there may be a conflict, that there is another command that's using it. So I can just simply go ahead and delete that line with Control L, Control K, I should say, Control K. So that line is gone now. Now every time I enter super and R, tap on super and R, it's gonna start a rocks file, a rocks filer. So let's go ahead and make up a control. The super D shows desktop. So let me just demonstrate it for you. You can peek. You can go through all. So let me just demonstrate. Super and D just shows desktop, and we'll tap it again. It brings it back. So there's 2 of them, and I don't need 2 of them. I can just manage with a super D. And instead, what we'll do is go ahead and change this to super W, and then we want to start Firefox. So EXEC Firefox. Now in this particular ISO, a bookworm Firefox, it can be started on a terminal ESR with this particular command. So, and then we want to save it, Control S again, save it, and then we want to start the terminal. So let me just go ahead and use the terminal, start the terminal with replacing this with T and then LX terminal. So we're going to Control S to save it, and then now we want to start the LX terminal, and then now we are going to go up again and then restart. Now let me just go ahead and close this. Now I'm just going to enter Super and T to start the terminal from now on. So here it is. So this works. So here C refers to control key. Super and key gives you the start of the menu. So I'm just going to enter Control and Super key on the left side, and then you can see that the menu starts. But I already have F12 that serves the same function, so I'm just going to eliminate it with Control K. So that is gone, and then Control S. And then as a final thing that I will do is I'll go ahead and close this. Just now F4 now. So, and then I'm going to start the Firefox with a Super W. So now you can see that Firefox has started.